Hello and welcome to this smart home switch breaker unboxing and installation video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the installation of a smart home switch breaker and connecting it to the Tuya Android app. Let's start with the unboxing. Here, we have the smart home switch breaker, which comes with an instruction manual, screws, and a wiring diagram. Before we start the installation, let's make sure that the power is turned off. Next, we'll install the wiring for the smart home switch breaker. This is a crucial step, so make sure to follow the wiring diagram provided with the product carefully. Once the wiring is complete, we can proceed to connect the switch breaker to the Tuya Android app. To connect the switch breaker to the Tuya app, we'll need to download the Smart Life app and create an account. Then, we'll follow the instructions to connect the switch breaker to the app using Wi-Fi. This will allow us to control the switch breaker and the connected light bulb from anywhere in the world, using just our mobile device. Now that we've successfully connected the switch breaker to the app, let's test it out. We'll turn on the light bulb using the app and demonstrate how we can control it from any part of the world. And there you have it, a simple and easy installation of a smart home switch breaker that can be controlled remotely using the Tuya Android app. Thanks for watching.